In this video, I'm going to cover whether you should buy, maybe invest right now into Mullen Automotive. I'm going to cover fundamentals and technicals, obviously. Is this a random stock or whatever, right? Actually worth it, right? This is going to be, you're going to walk out from this video with a complete understanding whether you should invest or not. And we're going to come to that decision. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Let's get into the sauce. First of all, starting with the fundamentals, I'm giving you the whole sauce, the fundamentals and the technicals at the end. But first of all, like currently, we actually just start from with the on the financials, and we check out the income statements, right? Annually, we're gonna see that we had 380 million total revenue. Now, it's not 380 million, but 380,000, 308 hundred 308 308,000. Okay, this is the total revenue. Then this was the expense, but I don't really want to take a look in that. I would love to just go ahead and check out the net income, which was negative. Okay, yeah, the expenses were actually like got to us. Other income expenses and stuff like that. It seems like the net income was negative. This again is a red flag, which again we're gonna keep in mind too. But then we're gonna go to the balance sheet, right? And then what are we going to look for in the balance sheet? The balance sheet is actually going to be here. Then we're going to take a look at the assets and the liabilities in the last year, right? The assets are going to be 302,000, which once again, yeah, not as big like some of the huge companies out there. But let's check out the liabilities, which you're going to see right here. And actually, that's not more than the assets. So actually, that's solid. And actually, the equity comes back down to 156,000, which was again is solid. It's again it's not negative, so good. We're definitely going to check out the revenue right now and how we have actually been doing in the past, and that looks absolutely not good. Now, what do I mean by not good? We don't know the revenue at all, right? We all just have the earnings, and it seems like in 2022 we're minus close to 1 billion, right? This is huge. This is minus 739 million earnings negative. This is crazy. Right? I don't know the revenue, but the earnings are absolutely crazy, and I don't like to see that. This is actually a very serious thing because the year before there was 44 million. I don't know what actually happened here. Um, yeah, this is mental. Now, by checking the financials, we're going to see that two red flags altogether regarding the fundamentals. Yeah, not very good. Then we're going to check out the market cap with bad fundamentals, which were not that good. This thing is now valued at right around 87 million, which again is actually a huge number. But at 47, this is the total evaluation of the stock, right? So at 87 billion is valued that much. Again, I'm not gonna comment on that because right now we're definitely gonna check out the technicals on this thing too. So 88 million for market cap is again I have to actually make up my mind, but coming to a decision is kind of iffy, right in the middle. But yeah, zooming out, close to 1 billion into negatives right now is actually huge for Mullen. So even by zooming out, you're going to see from 2012, I've been just kind of going down with this thing. And like matter of fact, that I've been correct like the whole year of the bearish downside moves of Mullen. This was all predicted. Again, I was on the right side of the market this whole year, and you can check out all the wins and proofs in the links below if you want to. By the way, right now, looking at it from this perspective, you can see that here this was the start of the year and I still keep it on the chart, and ever since then we actually kind of started doing that. We're 0.5% down right now. Like my honest opinion is uh, technical wise, like it doesn't look at all like it's not looking good whatsoever. Now keep in mind I'm never going to tell you whether to buy or sell, just kind of showing you hitting some information from different angles, so maybe so you can actually come up with your decision. And this is obviously just my perspective. I've tested my technical strategy like 13,000 times at least, 12 and a half at least, 1,000 times in the last 3 years, and I'm following the same exact, refining it over time, and this is what I'm following right now. Yeah, my own honest opinions is I'm definitely still pretty bearish, so this is still going to be kept on the chart because it doesn't matter if it's actually consolidating. I'm definitely still pretty bearish, expecting these lows to get cleared. Like short term, this is a daily chart. Long term, I'm never going to tell you whether I'm going to be bullish or bearish. When the price is just like this, right? I would first want to see a bullish break, and then we can actually talk. So all comes back down to actually that stuff. This is what actually we can actually circulate all of the fundamentals. Like we talk, it's very simple, right? People make it very complicated. Maybe yeah, you should go ahead and kind of count this as a short squeeze, which most of the people are actually high risk, high reward play into this thing. Some people are invested in just kind of they're holding this like a lottery ticket because this is the culture. Okay, and yeah, I mean, I will definitely never tell you whether to buy or sell because this is not going to be financial advice. Honest opinions, I don't like Mullen at all, right? I have nothing against it, but it's not something I will definitely look into. Again, high risk, high rewards. Definitely might as well just check like shorts for MULN to just kind of see what's actually going on there. So on Fintel, I'm gonna take a look here. Don't typically take a look at these websites, but you're gonna see 5 hours ago short shares availability. It's actually a little bit climbing, so solid. Uh, Borrow fee rates, whatever. I'm not gonna read this because I'm not gonna kind of talk about something that I don't really do. So yeah, once again, comes back down to stuff like this. Check out the simple fundamentals, right? Maybe look more into it. For the people who might have been invested, and this might be you who is still invested. I'm the type of person that I will definitely cut the things short, but if they're not that big amount of money, I would definitely cut losses. But yeah, sometimes you just get a hold, right, and the thing might just actually be the huge runner, which in a matter of one day could just flip and go and short squeeze. But the thing is, yeah, high risk, high reward play. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself. That's kind of it for the video. So hopefully you found this video valuable, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.